A fighter aircraft is a military aircraft designed primarily for air-to-air combat against other aircraft, as opposed to bombers and attack aircraft, whose main mission is to attack ground targets. A fighter's main purpose is to establish air superiority over a battlefield. Since World War I, achieving and maintaining air superiority has been considered essential for victory in conventional warfare. Hello everyone! Today, we are going to show you the top 10 countries with the most fighter jet. Attack and bomber aircraft are not included while making this video. All fighter jet count includes both naval and Air Force fighter jets. So let's start with the countdown. With 265 fighter jets, coming in at the 10th spot is Egypt. Main fighter jets of Egypt includes F-16, MiG-29, Mirage 2000, and Dassault Rafale. At number 9, we have Taiwan or Republic of China, with 286 fighter jets. Main fighter jets of Taiwan includes F-16, FCK-1A, Mirage 2000, and Northrop F-5. With a total fighter jets of 301, at number 8 we have Japan. Main fighter jet of Japan includes F-15 Eagle, Stealth F-35 Lightning II, Mitsubishi F-2, and F-4 Phantom II. At number 7 we have Israel with 321 fighter jets. Main fighter jet of Israel includes F-16, F-15 Eagle, F-15 Strike Eagle, and Stealth F-35 Lightning II. Pakistan comes at 6th. Main fighter jet of Pakistan includes F-16, JF-17 Thunder, Chengdu F-7P. At number 5 we have South Korea with 518 fighter jets. Main fighter jet of South Korea includes Stealth F-35 Lightning II, F-16, F-15 Eagle, FA-50, Northrop F-5, and F-4 Phantom II. With a total fighter jets of 566, at number 4 we have India. Main fighter jet of India includes Su-30 MKI, MiG-29, Mirage 2000, HAL Tejas, MiG-21 Bison, and Dassault Rafale, total of 36 on order. At number 3 we have Russia with 1,100 plus fighter jets. Main fighter jet of Russia includes stealth fighter Su-57, Su-35, Su-27, Su-30, Su-33, MiG-29, MiG-31, and MiG-35. At number 2 we have China with 1,670 plus fighter jets. Main fighter jet of China includes Stealth Fighter J-20, Su-30 MKK, Su-27, Su-35, Chengdu J-7, Chengdu J-10, Shenyang J-8, Shenyang J-11, Shenyang J-16. With total inventory of 2,850 plus fighter jets, the United States comes at number 1. Main fighter jet of the USA includes Stealth Fighter F-22 Raptor, Stealth Fighter F-35 Lightning II, F-15 Eagle, F-15 Strike Eagle, F-16, F-18 Hornets, and F-18 Super Hornets. Thanks for watching.